Hello everyone and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course last week I have sent a signal to buy this silver right from 28.837, and as we can see my friends, the market has reversed just like 14 or 15 pips far away from my entry. However, it actually hit the take profit level. So again, it was not really the best signal, but it was somehow at least went in the right direction. So a score to Xtreme Trader to reach the right direction and hit the take profit level, but sadly hasn't been triggered. Now what's next with the silver? Let me just now tell you something, my friends. Let's now switch to the weekly chart. So right now the weekly chart, actually, we were expecting from the market to reverse right on this level of a key resistance at 30.202. As you can see here, we have a resistance, but the market shows here a strong bullish movement, and the weekly candle has closed above this level of a real support at 29.800. And that tells us that the silver most likely is going to remain bullish for the next week. Even right here, as we can see, if we check the support trend lines, check this out, the market is indeed still respecting that area. Not only that, but let me just now move to the daily chart. And by the way, the weekly chart here also, the price action indicates a continuation in the bullish momentum. However, let's now move to the daily chart. So right now here on daily chart, what we can see right now, if I just do like this to make the chart clear, so it's going to be easier to read. We can see here clearly that we had, of course, a resistance trend line, or a channel actually. Let me just show it to you right here exactly. So right now here we had, of course, a channel that indeed has been broken out from and became as a support trend line multiple times. The market actually has made several attempts to go below this level of a previous resistance trend line, but has always been creating only a support trend line, as we can see right here. Not only that, but even right here we can notice, of course, the strong support trend line momentum. Now, let me just tell you something. Let me just read these two lines. Our style in Xtreme Trader is always to rely on the magic of support and resistance trend lines. How we can do that? Simply draw the support trend line like I did right here, and then based on daily chart, you can find now the strongest reversal points. So what I will do right now is simply drag the same line that I have drawn here and place it all the way right here on this level of a support trend line. Check this out. Look at the mouse cursor. Right here exactly, we can see a strong key level of a support trend line that even right here after the bearish breakout candle, the market has here created a resistance trend line, but it was a tiny attempt, not even worth to mention, because of course due to the strong bullish momentum. Instantly the market has made a bullish breakout above this level of a previous resistance trend line. So now if the silver will visit back again the same level of a support trend line, most likely it will respect it and then continue the rise toward the resistance right here at 32. Now by looking at the support level, however, a horizontal level of a support right here exactly, fantastic, exactly right here, exactly, let me just be sure and precise, yes, at 30.130 we had here, of course, a strong key level of a real support which has been respected all the way. Then here again we had a few attempts of a resistance that not even counted as a resistance. The market was just ranging right at it. Here we have of course a previous level of a resistance. However, if this silver will fall back, it will not only retest the support trend line, but also most likely has to be under the pressure of the horizontal level of a support right here at the bracket of 30. So that means we have to wait for the silver to fall to another, let me just be accurate, around 25 pips before we can start buying it. However, let's now move to the to the 4-hour time frame just to look at that. Check this out right here. Based on the 4-hour time frame, we can see here clearly multiple attempts of a support trend line, and look at that, the rejection was really strong here. Eventually at Friday night, the market has made here a final attempt to break out from this level of a support, but finally has failed, and now we can see here a very long tail. I believe this is of course due to the non-farm payroll news and the unemployment rate. However, the silver actually has a good chance to fall back again, and then we can buy it again right from here. So therefore, that being said, we can continue buying the silver at 30.130, and then targeting, of course, the strongest level of a key resistance right here at 31.372, aiming around 123 pips of profit, and then a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging much lower than the previous level of a key support right here exactly, to be precise, exactly right here at 29.622, which will be ranging for around 50 pips only. And there goes our new prediction on the silver, my friends. And of course, don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If any updates happening, of if we adjust the entry or adjust the safe zone or even the take profit level, I will update you right here on my Telegram channel. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader. Let me just show to you, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link directly to join in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.